Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2020 GMC Terrain, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs in this truck. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Find the latch, move it to the right, raise the hood up, and we'll stand right here. Alright, so let me show you on the driver's side. So we have two bulbs here. We have turn signal, which is right here. To get it to change the turn signal, you're gonna open this. Over here, you're gonna have two pins on these two sides. You see these two pins, so you're gonna press them together and pull. Like this. Okay. Once you have it out, you're just gonna take your fingers, pull it off, and when you have the replacement bulb, just put the bulb back in. That's it. Put it back in. Like this. And you are all set. Very simple. The headlight is a little bit more complicated. So over here we have a lid. Hope you guys can see it. So we're gonna take a cap, spin it, and open it. So here we have, this is our DS5 bulb. Hope you guys can see everything good there. And over here, as you can see, we have a bracket. Put the light here. And so what we have to do, we have to raise this bracket up. Alright, good. Till it's off. Okay. After that, we should be able to just wiggle the bulb out. Okay, now be very gentle with it. The bulb is actually very brittle. I'll show you right now. So now, little by little, gently get it out, because you might break the tip, and it's not gonna be not gonna be nice. So, and over here, there's a connector that connects to the bulb. So that's what we're gonna press here with our thumb, and just you will actually using two hands. You're gonna just unclick the connector here. That's it. Okay, as you can see, super duper simple. This is DS5 light. Now, when we have to replace it, well, this at the moment, this light costs around $150. So be careful with it, be gentle. Now, when you have replacement bulb, same way. We're gonna put it back in. So it's gonna go in again carefully, little by little. No, sorry, we have to connect the connector first. So we connect the connector. It just plugs in, nothing complicated. Now we're gonna try to wiggle, get the light back in place, same way. Okay, just little by little. It's a very limited place to see here, space. So now there will be a little trick. Once you have the light in, you're good. But over here inside, there is a bracket, and so you have to put your hand in. And, I don't know. So as you can see, like this, it's not holding. So you have to. So you have to wear this thing, as you can see, like this, and then you have to press inside on top of the light. I hope you guys can see it, I'm not sure. Over here, there will be same link like this, same piece of metal, and you're gonna press on it. Press on it till the end. like this. Okay, hope you guys saw what I did there. And like this. Right. After that, just put cap back in place and make sure it's tight and closed. And that's it. Okay guys, hope this helped. If it did, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.